how to create a sports memorabilia e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and you proceed to type in your email or your username. And after typing your email, you click on next, and then you proceed to type in your password. So it's loading, as you can see, and after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. After typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. You choose the answer that fits you. Then you do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So here we have this list of categories, and my store is in the niche of sports memorabilia. So I'm going to choose fitness and wellness as my category. And if you can't find your category in this list, just go with other, then click on continue. And then if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step. And then you will proceed to your dashboard after they build the store. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and here in your right you have the edit site button, which take us to the editing phase. And here also we have the design now button, and it does the same job as the edit site button. And in your left we have 9 sections, and I'm going to explain each section of these right now. So I'm going to start with website, where we find also the edit site button, and then we have the domains button, where you can create or where you can set your domain name or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where we have the site items if you want to create new products or if you want to delete the ones that you already have. Then we have the site categories if you want to categorize your products or create new categories. Then we have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check all of your orders to see the fulfilled orders, the shipped one and the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set your pickup settings, or if you want to set your shipping settings. Then we have the reports, where you can find all kind of reports in here, like the site traffic reports, the site items reports, and so on. And also if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just go with summary. Then we have the marketing section, where you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience, from the email, automated, to mailing lists and setup. And also again, if you want to see the summary of all these tools, just go with summary. Then we have the communications section, where we have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. And last but not least, we have the settings, where we have the general settings. If you want to change your company name, your email, your address, or your phone number, just wait for it to load, and I will show you where you can change all of that. So this is where you can change your company name, address, email, and phone number. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account, or if you want to change the country and the currency of your store. Then we have the sales taxes, where you can set your tax settings. And last, we have the units, where you can change the site language, and you can also edit your units. So that's it guys for these sections. Let's go back to the overview and let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. And you will just need to give it less than 15 seconds to load, as you can see. And we will access it right now. And here we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right now. And here we have the styles, which is the first step of creating our store, choosing one of these styles. So here let's just wait for the template to be fully loaded, and here we choose one of these styles. Let's check this one and let's see if it fits the store. So no, this one is not that good. Let's choose another one. Let's choose this one and let's check. So I think this one will do the job. Let's click on apply site styles, and then we have the site's design. If you want to add an image to your logo, and if you want to change colors, change fonts, which I'm going to change. So here I'm going to choose Comforta, this one, and then I'm going to make this one 1.30. So I will leave it at 1.29. Then I'm going to make this one 18 pixels, like this, and I will leave all of these as default. Then click on done. After that, I will change the shape of the buttons from pill to rounded, and for images from sharp to rounded. Then click on done. And if you want to change these other elements, you will need to upgrade your plan from the free one to the paid version, as you can see in here. And when you're done, you click on done. You close this one and you dismiss all, dismiss. And here you have the plus button if you want to add a new section, page, item, or category. And here you have all of your sections and pages, like your header. If you want to change it, just click on it and you will be able to adjust it the way you want, from the customization, content, navigation, and so on. And then you have the main banner also if you want to change it, as you can see. Then if you want to hide it or show it, just click on this button. Then we have the email newsletter if you want to delete it or if you want to duplicate it, like this. Also, if you want to change the footer, you will just need to click on it again, and the same with these other sections. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.